Our world is changing rapidly. Global warming, the increase of greenhouse gas emissions, soil depletion, rise in waste and pollution. 1.3 billion tons of food is thrown away every year in the world. 95% ends up in landfills, where it becomes a source of landfill gases. Moscow alone produces 8 million tons of waste per year, a quarter of which is organic. With the increase in the world's population, pig breeding, poultry farming, and aquaculture are developing intensively, requiring high-quality compound feed with protein-obtaining products with unique features on the Russian market. Black soldier fly is the insect that helps us in this.
The black soldier fly is one of the dipteral species from the soldier fly family. It is found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. Black soldier flies larvae are edible also for humans and appear to be an excellent source of protein.
What does the manufacturing process look like? Black soldier flies live in the insectariums, where ideal conditions have been made for them: humidity, warmth, and tranquility. The flies lay eggs, which then hatch into larvae. We take spoiled fruits and vegetables and add grain waste materials in order to balance the feed in protein, fat, and fiber for the larva. We grind all this and get a fodder substrate. This is an absolutely safe plant-based raw material which does not contain animal protein. The larvae process the substrate, eat it up, and dry it. This is how we get organic fertilizer, biohumus. The larva itself grows and becomes a source of protein and fat. After the larvae are separated from the biohumus, part of it is sent for frying in the infrared oven, and the other part goes to the beginning of the chain to become a pupa and turn into a fly. Fried larva. We get the protein concentrate and fat and make cosmetics out of it. Protein powder Hermetia is the main source of protein, fat, and carbohydrates in agricultural and domestic animal feed. Moreover, it has the great potential in human nutrition. It contains 60% protein and has a balanced amino acid composition. It contains chitin, which boosts immunity and disease resistance, lauric acid, known for its antiviral and antibacterial activity, and antimicrobial peptides that increase the growth rate, enhance immunity, and promote nutrient absorption. Black soldier fly's fat is recommended for use in soap making, cosmetology, and pharmaceuticals. It contains melanin, a natural antioxidant that stimulates immunity, increases serotonin levels, and has anti-tumor properties. The secondary product of processing is organic fertilizer, biohumus, which is used as a soil conditioner. It enriches depleted soils with useful microflora, as well as macro and micro elements. Insect protein is good both for the development of livestock production and for human consumption. Moreover, much less resources are required to produce protein from insects than, for example, to obtain protein from beef. Insects produce protein, the nutritional value of which is comparable to that of animal protein, but the level of nutritional capacity is even much higher. Several times less feed is required to obtain protein from insects than from beef, pork, and chicken. Bioorganic waste of human daily activity can be used as feed for insects. The disposal of this feed is a boon to society. The European Union is going to introduce a carbon tax on Russian manufacturers for exceeding greenhouse gas emissions. EU policy will encourage companies to use the black soldier fly to recycle organic waste in order to bring the CO2 tax to zero.